Hi everyone. To install Ubuntu operating system, you can directly install it into laptop, PC, or install it into in VMware, VirtualBox, built-in Hyper-V. In this video, I'll guide you how to install Ubuntu 24.04 LTS in Proxmox VE 8.3. I assume you already download Ubuntu ISO file to local computer and upload it to Proxmox as well. Now, let's start. After creating new VM with attached Ubuntu ISO file, you click Start button to access menu with options. Select Try or Install Ubuntu menu option. It leads you to the screen to select language for system. Select English as default language. Leave it default in accessibility. Leave it default in keyboard layout. Define your device's internet connection method to install suitable software packages. Click Update now to automatically install updates and prompts you to close it and relaunch the installation. Starting from the beginning. The interactive installation, the standard option that allows you to configure all the settings yourself. Click this option for the next step. Select Default Selection to install the essential apps, such as the web browser and basic utilities, and excludes apps, such as the video player and Office Suite. You can later install more apps using the App Center. Select both boxes to ensure the best performance and support. For this video, we will select the first option to erase the disk and install Ubuntu from scratch. Do fulfill your account information such as your name, your computer name, username, password, confirm password. The wizard automatically detects your location and time zone. Now, only wait until finishing the installation. Detach ISO file and then click the Restart Now button to boot into the new OS.